Hello, welcome back again with HPI RS4. So, the car looks phenomenal. It's scale, proportional, and it looks great. It looks quick and well put together. The plastic that is used here is really good plastic. Transmitter. The battery. The chassis and everything made on this car is fantastically very well. The T-plug. Independent suspension. The car comes with a 4000 kV brushless motor and a 3X capable speed controller. Both front and rear durable gear differential. The chef drive system with full-time four-wheel drive. I'm gonna set up the RS4 with Thunder Tiger 3X 6000 mAh low endurance battery. It's fastened with a Velcro strap. The battery is firmly seated with a Velcro strap. Let's give it a test spin. Alright, have a look. Wait for my next video, I'm gonna see how fast it can go. On the next video, we're gonna see if this car can really go beyond 17 miles per hour. The battery is firmly attached to the chassis. And stay tuned for the next video, which I'm going to do a speed test with the GPS to clock the speed of this car with 3S battery.